Yo, what's going on, crew? So we're back out again today, same day, different location. So what ended up happening was I went to Clemson, this spot I've been wanting to hit. Well, this spot I've been before, Edequate Point. Super low, realized I didn't have my GoPro, couldn't go that far. So I was like, might as well go back, get the GoPro so we can film it and go to Lake Hartwell. See how the winds are there. There was decent winds at Edequate Point, but it was like I said, super shallow. Couldn't go as far as I wanted to go, so we're gonna do a redo here, see what the conditions are like. All right, back on board. Yo, what's going on, crew? This is super interesting. All of this, from tree line to tree line, was a lake, a pond. It was all water. Now it's channelized. This is super interesting. That wasn't even that long ago. That was back when I first got the outrigger. But I'm also noticing it is super shallow here still, so I'm not going far that way. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and turn around and just admire all the grass that grew really quick, and I guess that's it. But enough of that, back on board. Yo, what's going on, crew? This wind is weird. It's I don't know if it's actually changing directions, because looking at wind it wasn't showing that. I think what actually is happening is it's hitting certain stuff and then just kind of deflecting off of it and changing direction slightly, and then it hits something else and then change a little more. It's the only thing I can think I'm seeing, because it is shifting around a little bit depending on the location. But enough of that. Keep on punching towards Anderson Beach. All right, back on board. Yo, crew, listen to that steady wind. Wrapping around the bend right here. We're gonna open up again. Yo, what's going on, crew? So we've hit another slack spot. The direction is slightly different again, but I bet you as soon as we come off this bend, it's going to be ripping. It's already starting to pick up the closer I get to the end of this, and I can see the wind out there on the water. Yo, crew, it's getting all mixed up over here. But it is fun. Love conditions like this on any kind of fast board or an outrigger. Can't beat it. Yo, what's going on, crew? Conditions are getting sketchier the farther we go out. Ooh, gotta love it. Yo, what's going on, crew? That downwind session back there, I mean, I know on GoPro it doesn't look that big. The waves really weren't, but getting pushed by 20 to 30 mile an hour winds, days like that, dude, you'll never forget. That was fun. That was epic. That's why I love, that's what draws me to flat water and racecraft. It's going fast, surfing downwind. You just can't beat it. It's almost like paddling whitewater, but different. Enough of that. I guess we're gonna head to the beach. Looks like it's cleared out, probably because of the wind. Maybe grab a snack and come up with another point from there. All right, you. All right, crew, we're headed back out to sea. The 7 seas of Hartwell. One of the most difficult things about this, well, it's not really difficult, you just got to keep it in mind not to get blown in the shore, because without having a rudder, I'm having to do a lot of stepping around on the board to turn it, and you got to be on top of it because it takes a little while to make turns like what I'm doing right now. So it's very easy if you're not paying attention to get blowed in the shore, blowed into somebody's dock. But enough of that. Go ahead and keep on punching up wind. Back on board. Yo, what's going on, crew? According to that flag, I think we're about to enter a different wind zone. It's blowing a different direction out here. All right, let's keep on punching. You. There's a big turn, crew. All this wind funneling down. Trying to make tack, punch back up wind.